Bye, YouTube. I'm about to do the ratchet anthem. So my sister. So please follow her on. Wait, what's her Twitter name? Follow her at
Hitting Queen.
Follow her at Hating Queen on Twitter and follow me at Wady. And then I'm about to go to ratchet anthem.
Yes.
OMG.
Hey, good people.
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture because she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. Because I ain't got time for this.
I'm too grown.
Boy,
Not that when not with the shoes on.
Ooh, I just want to
Put your in her face. I stand her. Ooh, she's too. Ooh.
Girl, let me tell you what I got. Now, Mister.
Mm-hmm.
Baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. Those shoes. I had to keep today. I got new for a boot today. Come on, baby, I just get paid. He has like his shoes today. New baby. Need new shoes today. Child was checking to today about the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you bring the blue today? Gonna be fit up. Blue trap. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new top. Paid $95 for this weave plus tax. Better thing over I spend my thumb. Low ahead is hang along. Thinking that you're better than I am. Well, then you think you're wrong. My number. She'll lie. Our number. Boy, bye. What is wrong with you? Shh. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You looking good. Turn on, let me see. Okay. Bye, girl. Oh, my gosh. What does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture because she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter because she ratchet. Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari. The club is free before 11, and we pregame and we party. I know I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, because 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Marlon got my jersey dress on. Jill has my press on. Pow, team dark skin. We don't like them red bones that look in my picture. New outfit, I get it. You can add me on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm a team flip phone.
Hey!
Team Chris Brown.
What?
Don't shut it up. Then it's team shut it down.
Hell yeah.
Team bad chicks.
What?
Team with your man.
Hey.
Got a lot of money. Then it's team. He's paying.
Woo.
What you saying? He might as well spend it on me. He got this going on, that going on. What's it going on?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? Boy, bye.
Boy, bye.
She ratchet.
And two.
Alright, and now that's our little remake. I know you have my sister in the background.
Bye, YouTube.